Alright, we are going to try our hand at making an oil-based pomade, a natural oil-based pomade. We tried last night. When I say we, that's with my wife. And yeah, so it didn't turn out so great last night. So we're gonna try again tonight, and we're gonna change it up a little bit. But I'm gonna film this, and hopefully it'll turn out good. But what I'm using is sweet almond oil, castor oil, and jojoba. How do you say that? Jojoba oil, and some essential oils for fragrance, and then we got beeswax, arrowroot, and shea butter, or shea butter, however you say it. So let's get to it. So you're going to start with beeswax and the shea butter. You're going to mix that in a double boiler. If you don't have a double boiler, you can kind of makeshift one. We're kind of making a smaller batch just because we don't want to waste all the ingredients like we did. We made more than we needed last night. So this is our breakdown. We're not exactly sure how much it will produce, but we're hoping just a smaller amount that we can try it out. But castor oil is 1 tablespoon, jojoba oil 1 teaspoon, almond oil 1 teaspoon, shea butter 2 teaspoons, and the beeswax 1 tablespoon. And we are unsure of how much arrowroot we're going to put in, but we'll determine that as we go. But you're going to place, we already put the beeswax in the double boiler, and then we're putting the shea butter now, the amount of shea butter that we want, and we will heat that up and melt it. And we're going to want to melt it really good, make sure it's all liquidy, and then we will show you the next. So in a separate bowl, you're going to mix your oils. So we're doing the castor oil, which is, we are doing 1 tablespoon castor oil. Then we're doing the sweet almond oil. A lot of these ingredients I found at Whole Foods. You can find a lot of these ingredients, I'm sure, at like your local vitamin shop or something similar, or just online. Now the jojoba oil. So we did the almond oil, which was 1 teaspoon, and the jojoba oil was 1 teaspoon as well. And then we will add our essential oils.
Oh, arrowroot.
Oh, and the arrowroot. So we're gonna add the arrowroot. We're kind of just winging how much. Ooh. That's the process with making pomade, is just it takes testing and seeing what ratios work. If you need more of, one thing or the other. We're very new at this, so yeah, this could be a failure, or it could be great. So how much arrowroot did you put in?
Probably like 1/8 of a teaspoon.
Okay. So like we said, we're trying to make a smaller amount. This is not necessarily what we would make if we were trying to make more. This is just to test the pomade out to see if we're heading in the right direction. So you can put whatever essential oils you want, whatever you think smells good. We're doing just about 4 or 5 drops per essential oil that we're mixing. So we prepared the 2 bowls This is with our wax and shea butter. Just gotta melt it down. And once it's melted really good, we will combine the two, the other bowl with all the oils, and hope for the best.
Alright, now we're gonna add the other oils.
So this is melted down pretty good bit. Now we're gonna add our oils into the mix.
Alright, can you get the whisker?
Yeah.
I think we're probably supposed to do this one. Okay.
So I got too big of a bowl. But look at it, it's actually turning out pretty good. So we need to scoop it into this. We are not professionals. We got a little tin here.
I get another spoon.
Alright, well, I'm gonna let it harden and I'll give it a shot in my hair. So this is the final product. I let the pomade sit overnight and then I put some in my hair this morning, and I was very impressed. It's a lot better than the one that I made the day before. I like the shine on it, and the hold is really good, and the texture of the pomade feels really nice. A couple of things that I have noted and that I want to kind of finagle when I go into making my next batch or whatever is I'd like for it to have a little bit more hold. So I might use a little bit more beeswax, and also I'm getting like little clumps in when it dried, some like kind of waxy clumps. So I might need to do a little bit of harder mixing once it's done to really get those out of there. But overall, I'm really happy with it.